Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the part guitar in Roblox The Forge. First, just start at the part NPC locations like this, and then from here, just walk straight toward the cave entrance. This one, the cave, like this, and then just enter it. And once you enter the cave, just turn left and keep walking until you reach this part. This part. Now look carefully to your left side. This one, you will see mossy wall like this. This wall is actually a hidden entrance. Just walk inside the mossy wall like this. And then you will enter the secret cave like this. And then you will find the part guitar. Just take it. And then after that, just return to the part NPC. And then just give the guitar back to him like this. And as a reward, you will receive a key that you can use later in the game. And okay, that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.